Have you ever felt like your entire world crumbled in an instant? Like the person you gave your heart to just walked away, leaving behind nothing but silence, confusion, and unbearable emptiness? If you're sitting here right now, scrolling through videos and articles, desperately searching for a way to ease that ache in your chest, you're not alone. Heartbreak can be the most brutal, disorienting experience you'll ever face. It leaves you questioning your worth, your decisions, and even your future. But what if I told you that this isn't where your story ends? What if I told you that buried beneath all that pain is the perfect opportunity for one of the greatest comebacks of your life? This isn't just about moving on. This isn't about pretending you're fine or forcing yourself to get over it. This is about turning heartbreak into power. This is about rebuilding yourself into someone so strong, so grounded, and so self-assured that the person who left you will be left with only one thought. What was I thinking? Today I'm handing you the ultimate blueprint for transformation. Whether you're aching for closure, desperate to understand what went wrong, or just searching for a spark of hope, this guide will shift your entire perspective. These aren't cheap tricks or shallow tactics. These are 12 deep, proven, and life-changing steps that will not only make her regret leaving you, but will help you reclaim your power and your self-worth. So buckle up. Because what you're about to learn won't just heal your heart, it will reshape your life. 1. Cut all contact. Go cold turkey. The first and most essential rule is simple but challenging. Cut all contact immediately. No calls, no texts, no checking her social media, and no accidental run-ins. Why? Because the more you reach out, the more she feels validated in her choice to leave. Chasing her shows emotional weakness. Silence shows strength. When you go silent, you send a powerful, unspoken message. I don't need you to feel whole. That silence will be deafening for her. She'll wonder why you disappeared. She'll question whether she made a mistake. But more importantly, cutting contact is about you regaining control of your emotions and space to start healing. Delete her number. Block her if necessary. Remove pictures and memories that trigger you. This is not about hate or revenge. It's about creating the distance you need to rebuild yourself. 2. Transform yourself. Level up in every way. Now that you've created space, it's time to put your energy into the most important project, you. Start hitting the gym, adjust your diet, get your sleep right, and work on your mental health. Use the anger and sadness you're feeling as fuel to push harder, train harder, and grow stronger. Turn your heartbreak into motivation for total transformation. The goal isn't just physical change. Emotional and mental growth are just as important. Develop new habits, read, learn new skills, take courses, join clubs, pick up hobbies you let go of. Be so busy improving your life that you don't even have time to dwell on the past. When she eventually sees the new you, confident, strong, and self-assured, it will trigger deep regret, but by then, you might not even want her back. 3. Adopt a stoic mindset. Master your emotions. A breakup can feel like you're drowning in emotions. Anger, sadness, jealousy, guilt, all normal, all expected. But reacting impulsively will only make you appear weak and desperate. The answer? Embrace a stoic mindset. Accept that you can't control the situation, only your response to it. This doesn't mean suppressing your feelings, it means mastering them. Practice daily mindfulness or meditation. When emotions surface, step back, breathe, and analyze them. Journaling is another powerful tool to help you process your thoughts without letting them control your actions. When you show emotional stability, people, including your ex, notice. The man who isn't destroyed by loss is the man who commands the most respect. 4. Upgrade your social circle. Build a winning team. You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So ask yourself, are the people around you helping you grow, or are they keeping you stuck? Surround yourself with high-value individuals, friends, mentors, colleagues who challenge you to become better. Join mastermind groups, clubs, or social circles where ambition and self-improvement are the norm. When your ex notices that you're networking with driven, successful, positive people, it sends a strong message. You've leveled up and you're leaving the past behind. 5. Become unavailable. Scarcity creates value. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is being too available, especially after a breakup. People don't value what's always within reach. Stop responding immediately. Be too busy for random conversations. Let her wonder where you are and what you're doing. The less she knows, the more curiosity and regret will grow. But this isn't about playing games. It's about genuinely filling your life with meaningful activities, goals, and new connections so that you're not available for anyone who doesn't respect your worth. 6. Become emotionally strong. Control your reactions. Emotional resilience is one of the most attractive traits a person can have. Being emotionally strong doesn't mean ignoring your feelings, it means learning to process and manage them. If you're struggling, talk to a mentor or a therapist. Journal daily. Reflect on your triggers and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term pain. When you master emotional self-control, your entire life improves. Your ex will see a version of you who doesn't fall apart under pressure, and that will plant seeds of regret in her mind. 7. Date new people, but don't be a player. This step is about showing both yourself and the world that your life doesn't revolve around one person. Begin dating again, not out of spite, but to open your heart to new possibilities. When your ex notices other women are interested in you, it will trigger deep-seated insecurities. But more importantly, it helps you rediscover your self-worth and realize that love doesn't end with one person. Approach dating with genuine curiosity, not as a revenge tactic. Be respectful to the people you meet and allow space for new connections to develop naturally. 8. Let her come to you. Don't chase you've leveled up. You're thriving. You're emotionally stable and surrounded by good people. Now let the universe do its work. If and when she reaches out, stay cool. Respond politely, but don't rush to meet her or engage in deep conversations. Show through your actions that you're no longer emotionally dependent on her presence. By not chasing her, you become the prize. And when you reach this point, you have the power to decide whether she fits into your new life, not the other way around. 9. Live with purpose. Find your mission. Purpose is magnetic. Men without purpose often lose themselves in relationships, making their partner the center of their universe. When that relationship ends, so does their sense of self. Change that. Find or deepen your life's mission, whether it's building a business, becoming an artist, improving your community, or achieving personal growth. A man with a mission is a man women regret losing. When you focus on your goals, you radiate confidence and drive, making yourself more attractive not only to your ex, but to everyone around you. 10. Build a legacy. Think bigger than relationships. When you think long-term, heartbreak becomes just another bump in the road. Ask yourself, what do I want to leave behind? What mark do I want to make on this world? When you focus on your legacy, your career, your character, your contributions, you rise above day-to-day relationship drama. A man who is building something bigger than himself naturally commands respect and admiration. Your ex will realize she left someone who was on the path to greatness. In the end, you might find that the best part of this heartbreak wasn't winning her back, but rediscovering yourself. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing to the channel or joining our community. Whether it's a like, a comment, or becoming a member, your support helps us create high-quality, transformative content for men navigating life's toughest moments. You're not alone in this journey. Stay strong, level up, and keep moving forward, because the best is yet to come.